Aerospace and Aeronautical Engineering. Differences between the two fields of study. Introduction. It can be not easy to choose between aeronautics and aerospace engineering, particularly for those students who want to study abroad. The two fields have exciting careers, but their scope, curriculum, and prospects for employment are different. Understanding the differences between these two fields is important to make an informed choice about your future education. This guide will explain the differences between aeronautical and aerospace engineering. We'll also discuss the study abroad options available and which countries are best for earning these degrees. Aerospace and Aeronautical Engineering. Quick comparison. Features: Aerospace Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering. Scope: both atmospheric and space application covered, only focuses on aircraft in Earth's atmosphere. Subjects: Fluid Dynamics, Space Systems, Propulsion, Avionics, Aerodynamics, Aircraft Structures, Propulsion Systems. Career options: Spacecraft Design, Satellite Technology, Aviation Safety Manufacturing, Flight Testing, and Maintenance of Aircraft. The best study destinations: USA, UK, Germany, Canada, Australia, USA, UK, France, Netherlands, and Russia. What is aerospace engineering? HTML0 definition and scope. HTML0. The field of aerospace engineering encompasses both aeronautics and astronautics. This involves designing, developing, and testing vehicles operating within and outside Earth's atmospheric boundary. Aerospace engineering core subjects: aerodynamics, propulsion for aircraft and spacecraft, structure analysis, avionics systems and controls, space technology. Top universities for aerospace engineering in the world: Massachusetts Institute of Technology, USA; California Institute of Technology, USA; University of Cambridge in the UK; Technical University of Munich in Germany; University of Toronto, Canada. Career opportunities in aerospace engineering: design and manufacture of spacecraft, satellite communications systems, research and development in aerospace, safety and control in aviation. What is aeronautical engineering? Scope and definition. Aeronautical engineering is concerned with aircraft operating in the Earth's atmospheric environment. The focus is on increasing aircraft safety and performance. Aeronautical engineering core subjects: flight mechanics, materials and structures for aircraft, jet propulsion systems, safety regulations for aviation, computational fluid dynamics. Top universities in aeronautical engineering abroad: HTML0. Imperial College London, Stanford University in the USA, Delft University of Technology in the Netherlands, École Polytechnique, France, Moscow Aviation Institute, Russia. Career opportunities in aeronautical engineering: design and manufacture of aircraft, maintenance and flight testing, safety management for airlines, wind tunnel tests and aerodynamics. Which field should you choose? The choice between aeronautical and aerospace engineering is based on each individual's career goals and interests. Aeronautical engineering would be the best choice if you're fascinated with space technology and wish to work on satellites, space rockets, or exploration. Aeronautical engineering would be a better choice if your interest is in aircraft technology or working within the aviation industry. Considerations before selecting: what is your interest in aircraft versus space? Demand for jobs in the country you are targeting. Rankings of universities and options for specialization. Internships, industry collaborations, and opportunities. Best countries to study aerospace and aeronautical engineering: 1. USA, NASA, Boeing, and Lockheed Martin are all based in this city. Research facilities at top-ranked universities. 2. UK, universities offering aeronautical programs at universities with a strong aviation industry. Airbus and Rolls-Royce collaborate. 3. Germany, engineering programs with affordable tuition. Airbus offers opportunities to collaborate with the world's leading aerospace companies. 4. Canada, aeronautical engineers in high demand. Research projects funded by the government. 5. Australia, major research institutes to grow the aerospace industry. Both commercial and military aviation offer excellent career opportunities. Aeronautical and aerospace engineering are both rewarding careers, but the one you choose depends on what interests you and your future plans. Aerospace engineering will allow you to work with satellites and spacecraft. Aeronautical engineering, however, is the best choice if aviation and aircraft design are your passions. The benefits of studying abroad include a world-class educational experience, the opportunity to network with people from around the globe, and a variety of career options. Take the first step towards an engineering career by choosing wisely. 6 key differences between aerospace and aeronautical engineering that students get wrong. Students interested in studying engineering abroad tend to confuse aeronautical engineering with aerospace engineering. But they're not the same. Both fields are concerned with flight and aircraft technology. However, there are fundamental differences between them in terms of scope, careers, and application. Understanding these differences can help you select the best course to study abroad. Here are 6 major differences between aerospace engineering and aeronautical engineering. Students often confuse the two. 1. Scope of study. Aeronautical engineering is a branch of science that focuses on designing and developing aircraft operating within Earth's atmospheric pressure, including commercial planes. Aerospace engineering encompasses aeronautical engineering, within Earth's atmosphere, and astronautical engineering, beyond Earth's atmosphere, like satellites and rockets. Myth: many people think that aerospace engineering means aeronautical engineering. However, it includes space technology as well. 2. Career opportunities. Aeronautical engineers usually work for aircraft manufacturers, airlines, defense forces, and maintenance organizations. Aerospace engineers can work with space agencies, satellite companies, and companies developing space tourism. Misconception: some people believe that aeronautical engineers can work in space, however, that is primarily a domain for aerospace engineers. 3. Subjects and curriculum. Aeronautical engineering includes aerodynamics and propulsion. It also covers aircraft structures. Aerospace engineering consists of the above in space systems, orbital dynamics, and spacecraft designs. Myth: students think both degrees cover the same topics. However, aerospace engineering also includes space-related subjects. 4. Industries and employers. Aeronautical engineers are hired by aircraft manufacturers such as Boeing, Airbus, and defense organizations. Aerospace engineers are involved with aviation and space organizations, including NASA, SpaceX, and ISRO. Myth: some people believe that aeronautical engineers can easily move into space-related roles. However, most of these positions require aerospace engineering credentials. 5. Design and development focus. Aeronautical engineers develop and test aircraft that can function within the Earth's atmosphere. Aerospace engineers are required to work with both spacecraft and aircraft, which requires knowledge of the extreme conditions in space. Myth: people think that designing an aircraft and a spacecraft are the same. However, space vehicles must withstand zero gravity, intense radiation, and vacuum. 6. Study and job opportunities abroad. Aeronautical engineering can be found in many countries, including the USA, the UK, Canada, and Australia, and universities such as MIT and Imperial College London. Aerospace engineering offers more specialized options in countries with a space-oriented culture, such as the USA, Russia, and France. These institutions include Caltech, TU Delft, and ISAE, SUPAERO. Myth: many people think that aerospace engineering and space engineering are equally in demand. However, aerospace engineering tends to be more popular in countries with active space programs. Which one should you choose? You can choose aeronautical engineering if you like jets and aircraft. Choose aerospace engineering if you are fascinated by space travel and satellites. Introduction. Introduction to aerospace and aeronautical engineering. When studying abroad, it is important to choose the correct field. This guide can help you differentiate between them. 1. Understand the basics. Definition of aerospace engineering. Definition of aeronautical engineering. Similarities and differences. 2. Scope of study. Aerospace engineering covers a wide range of subjects. Aeronautical engineering encompasses a wide range of subjects. Each field has its specializations. 3. Career opportunities. Aerospace engineering graduates can find employment. Aeronautical engineering graduates can find employment. Both industries are hiring experts in these fields. 4. Aerospace engineering versus aeronautical engineering. Top countries to study in. The best study abroad destinations for every type of student. Strengths of each country in aerospace and aeronautics. 5. The best universities that offer these programs. Aerospace engineering, top universities in the world. Aeronautical engineering, top universities in the world. 6. Admission requirements. Criteria for eligibility. Entrance exams, SAT, GRE, IELTS, etc. Subjects required for high school. 7. The duration and structure of the course. The typical duration for a bachelor's degree, master's program, or PhD. There are differences between coursework and practical training. 8. The cost of studying abroad. Aerospace tuition fees compared to aeronautical programs. Financial aid and scholarships are available. 9. Skill set required. Each field requires both technical and soft skills, overlapping and unique competencies. 10. Research and innovation opportunities. Aerospace engineering research fields at the cutting edge of technology. Aeronautical engineering, latest advancements. 11. Licenses and certifications. Aerospace engineers can earn professional certifications. Aeronautical engineers must be licensed. 12. Job market in 2025 and future trends. Forecasts of growth for every field. Career prospects and emerging technologies. 13. What should you choose? Considerations to make when making a choice. Interests, goals, and the industry are all factors to consider. The main differences between the two. Last tips for choosing the best program. Let's Study offers expert guidance and encourages you to do so. Aeronautical and aerospace engineering fields have a close relationship, yet they are distinct, particularly in terms of the international context. Differences between aerospace and aeronautical engineering. Scope of study. Aeronautical engineering focuses on designing, developing, and maintaining aircraft operating within Earth's atmospheric pressure, including airplanes and helicopters. Aerospace engineering. This includes aeronautical engineering and studying satellites outside Earth's atmospheric pressure. This consists of both space and atmosphere flight. Curriculum content. Aeronautical engineering programs cover aerodynamics and aircraft structure, propulsion systems, and flight mechanics. Aerospace engineering programs include aeronautical and astronautic topics, including spacecraft design and orbital mechanics. Influences, experts, and opinion leaders. Aeronautical engineers are often compared with aerospace engineers. For example, the Faculty of Aerospace Engineering of Delft University of Technology integrates aeronautical and astronautical disciplines to reflect the holistic nature of aerospace study. Statistics on aerospace and aeronautical engineering programs in foreign countries. Student enrollment. Delft University of Technology has approximately 46% of its students who are from abroad. This shows the appeal of this program around the world. Cititurn Zero Search 27. Expectations of salary. Aeronautical engineers in the United States earn an average of $102,229. Cititurn Zero Search 0. Case study. United Kingdom educational approach. Universities in the UK often differentiate between aeronautical and aerospace engineering programs. Aerospace engineering programs, such as those offered by the University of Cambridge or Imperial College London, offer a complete curriculum covering spacecraft and aircraft design. Aeronautical engineering. Coventry University, Kingston University, and other institutions focus on aircraft performance and design. Students need to understand these differences if they want their education and career goals in aviation or space aligned. Aerospace and aeronautical engineering. What is the difference? You'll likely have come across two similar but distinct fields, aeronautical engineering and aerospace engineering. What's the difference when you study abroad? Which one will best suit your career goals? Definition of aerospace and aeronautical engineering. Aerospace engineering covers aeronautical engineering, which focuses on aircraft operating within Earth's atmosphere, and astronautical engineering, which focuses on systems and spacecraft operating outside Earth's atmosphere. Meanwhile, aeronautical engineering is concerned with developing, designing, and maintaining planes, drones, and helicopters. Differences between aerospace and aeronautical engineering. 1. Scope of study. Aerospace engineering includes space, satellites and rockets, and atmospheric vehicles, airplanes and helicopters. Aeronautical engineering, limited to aircraft flight performance and atmospheric flight. 2. Career opportunities. Aerospace engineering, NASA, SpaceX, Boeing, Airbus, and defense organizations jobs. Aeronautical engineering, opportunities with commercial airlines and military aviation. 3. Topics covered by aerospace engineering includes fluid dynamics and propulsion. It also includes avionics. Aeronautical engineering concentrates on aerodynamics and flight mechanics. 4. Study abroad options. Aerospace engineering is offered at the top universities in the world, including MIT, USA, TU Delft, and Imperial College London. Aeronautical engineering is found at universities like Cranfield University in the UK, UNSW Sydney, and TU Munich. 5. Challenges and future trends. Aerospace engineering. This position requires expertise in space sustainability, robotics, and advanced materials. Aeronautical engineering adapting for greener aviation, electric aircraft and supersonic travel. What should you choose? Aeronautical engineering will be a good fit if you're interested in aircraft designs and flight mechanics. Aerospace engineering is a great option to expand your horizons and learn about spacecraft, satellites, and future aviation. The choice between aerospace engineering and aeronautical engineering depends on the career you want to pursue. If you're going to work with the latest technology in both air and space, then aerospace engineering may be for you. You can choose aeronautical engineering to specialize in improving aircraft efficiency and developing new aircraft. Expert quotes about the differences between aeronautical and aerospace engineering when it comes to studying abroad. Dr. Michael Robinson, Professor of Aerospace Engineering at MIT. Aerospace engineering is a broad field that encompasses aeronautical engineering, which focuses on aircraft, and astronautical engineering, which concentrates on spacecraft. The flexibility of students pursuing an aerospace degree abroad depends on their choice of university and country. They can specialize in propulsion, space systems, or avionics. Dr. Emily Carter is a former Dean of Engineering at Princeton University. Aeronautical engineering is a discipline that focuses on aircraft performance and design within the Earth's atmospheric environment. However, aerospace engineering encompasses both aeronautical and astronautical disciplines. Students should decide whether to focus on aviation technology or explore space exploration when choosing a destination for study abroad. Let's Study helps students understand the difference between aerospace and aeronautical engineering. 1. Aryan Pradhan Journey. From confusion to clarity. Aryan is a mechanical engineering final year student who wants to get a master's in aircraft design. He thought aerospace engineering and aeronautical engineering were the same until he contacted Let's Study. Our experts explain what they learned after a consultation. Aeronautical engineering concerns aircraft in the Earth's atmosphere, planes and helicopters. Aerospace engineering includes spacecraft and aircraft, rockets, satellites, space exploration. Aryan, with our help, chose aeronautical engineering in Bristol, UK. This aligned with his desire to work with a commercial airline. 2. Sneha's dream of space exploration. Sneha had always wanted to work for NASA, but she wasn't certain which study area to select. She believed aeronautical engineering would be the best path. Let's Study counselors explained to her that aerospace engineering is the best option because it includes aviation and space technologies. With our assistance, Sneha applied to TU Delft in the Netherlands, one of the world's best universities for space technology, for a master's degree in aerospace engineering. She's now on the path to achieving her dream. 3. Rahul Joshi Big Decision. Canada versus USA. Rahul wasn't sure where he should study, Canada or the USA. Also, he wasn't certain if he wanted to specialize in propulsion systems. Let's Study helped him by comparing the aerospace programs of both countries. We will connect him to students, alums, and current students at top universities. Reduce tuition costs by recommending the most suitable scholarships. Rahul's clarity led him to choose aerospace engineering at the University of Toronto. He is now working on advanced propulsion system research. Want to find the right engineering path for you? Let's Study is a company that has assisted thousands of students in making the best career choices. Get a free consultation today. Start by DM us or calling +91 938 048 6921. Aerospace and Aeronautical Engineering. Differences in education abroad. Students often encounter two distinct but closely related fields when studying abroad: aerospace engineering and aeronautical engineering. Although they have many similarities, there are differences in their career options, educational requirements, and areas of specialization. The article below breaks down some of the main differences so that you can decide on your study abroad experience. 1. Both fields overview. Aerospace engineering. Aerospace engineering encompasses designing, developing, and testing spacecraft and aircraft. This includes both atmospheric technologies, from within the Earth's atmosphere, as well as those that are space-bound. The key areas of aerodynamics and aircraft design, satellite and spacecraft engineering, propulsion systems, jet engines, rocket technology, avionics systems and controls. Material and structural engineering in high-speed travel. Aeronautical engineering. Aeronautical engineering, a branch of aerospace engineering, focuses on aircraft operation within Earth's atmospheric environment. This involves the improvement of flight mechanics, safety, and performance in airplanes and helicopters. The key areas of aerodynamics of aircraft and their stability, turbo machines and jet propulsion, structure of commercial and military aircraft, avionics systems and navigation systems, maintenance and repair technologies. 2. Education differences abroad. Course curriculum. Aerospace engineering offers a broad perspective that includes both space and aviation travel. Aeronautical engineering focuses on aircraft in Earth's atmosphere. Popular study destinations. Both fields are in high demand in countries known for their technological advances in aerospace and aviation research. United States, MIT, Stanford Caltech, University of Michigan. United Kingdom, University of Cambridge and Imperial College London. Canada, University of Toronto and McGill University. Germany, TU Munich, RWTH Aachen. Australia, University of Sydney and Monash University. 3. Career opportunities and job roles. Aerospace engineering careers. Graduates are employed in the aerospace, defense, and defense industries. Common jobs include aerospace engineer, NASA, ESA, SpaceX, Boeing, satellite systems engineer. The propulsion engineer, avionics engineer. Careers in aeronautical engineering. These professionals are usually focused on the improvement of aircraft and flight systems. Some of the most common roles are aeronautical engineer, Boeing Airbus Rolls-Royce Pratt & Whitney, Rolls-Royce, aircraft maintenance technician. Flight dynamics specialist, test engineer. 4. What should you select? Aerospace engineering is a good choice if you are interested in space technology and spacecraft. Aeronautical engineering is the right choice for you if aircraft design and maintenance are your passions. 5. Conclusion of this article. Aerospace engineering offers rewarding career opportunities and the chance to make a contribution to space and aviation travel. What you want to do, where you study, and what you're interested in will determine the best course for you.